Hello and welcome back to another tutorial of W from Practical IT. In this tutorial we will see how we can create tree map chart. The visualization that is appearing on your screen showcase the tree map chart, which is divided into three segments. One segment is for the consumer, the second segment is for the corporate, and the third segment is for the home office. We are getting three segments just because we have dragged the segment to the label shelf in this visualization. In case we would have dragged region, then we would have get four segments just because we have four regions, total four regions, right? So this is the tree map. So basically what is tree map? Tree map in W is used to showcase the visualization in a rectangular, or you can say in a square format. Tree map is generally used to display the data that is grouped, or you can say the tree map is used to display the data, or you can say that is nested in a rectangular shape, right? It is basically a hierarchical structure data, right? So you also can visualize tree map in this way. You also can visualize tree map in this way, right? So this is, we have dragged region to the color mark shelves. That's why we are getting four different regions, right? So we will see how we can create this type of visualization. I have inserted a new worksheet. Let me drag my segment to color. We will get three color, right? One for the consumer, one for the corporate, and one for the home office. So let me drag profit to the size marks. What it is doing? Our profit has been divided into three categories, three segment. This is the upper segment. We are getting this rectangle is big just because the profit sharing of this consumer is much higher than other two segments, right? And I will drag my, what I will do, I will include subcategory to this segment. So what it will happen, it will create different rectangles within consumer segment, corporate segment, and home office. Let me drag subcategory to the labels. So it has further divided our subcategories, right, as per their segments. This is basically our consumer segments. In consumer we have this subcategories, in corporate we have this subcategories. This is a very basic visualization of a tree map. This is how we have supplied our subcategory dimension to this visualization, right? This is very simple. In order to, if you want labels for the profit, you simply drag your profit to the label shelf. The profit will appear on the top left, right? So this is the very simple visualization. Let me create one that is color diverging, right? Let me insert a new worksheet. We will go with the same example. Drag our segment to the color marks, and let me drag profit. Let me drag profit measured to our size marks. Let me further drag subcategory to our labels. Now what I will do, I will drag now profit to the color marks, right? If you see here, now the visualization has changed to the subcategory level only. So the moment we drag profit to the color marks, our segment dimension has been removed. So what I will do, I want to create the segment level as my first hierarchy, right? So what I will do, I will drag my segment level above subcategory. So what it has done, it has further first of all it is displaying the data by segment, then it is displaying by subcategory. If you see here, thick white border line, this is the segment wise. We have three segments. This is one segment, this is second segment, this is third segment. But yes, let me change the color diverging effect. If you see here, we are getting 5 values. It means this visualization excludes negative value. If I click on this negative, 5 negative, we are getting two options. If I want to filter the data, it will filter out negative values, and if I go with use absolute values, so negative values will also be included in these dimensions in this visualization. Let me go with the use absolute value, right? So what I am getting, the more darker color has more profit, the less gold or you can say orange color has negative profit, right? So now our visualization has been changed. So what basically it is doing, if you see in a tree map, in tree map dimensions is used to display the structure of the tree map, but the measure is used to display the size of the tree map, so the size of the rectangle, right? So if you want to change the color palette, just click on this drop down, go to edit color, let me change this to red, make it little bit dark, and click on this color. Let me take this color, right? I will go with the use full color range, apply, then okay, right? You will get a similar kind of view that I have shown you earlier. So in order to apply labels, what you can do, you can drag your subcategory to labels, right? Oh, sorry, subcategory is already there. Let me drag segment. No, we know that. Let me drag segment also, segment to our labels, right? If you see here, the segment is down, so I want segment to go up. Just drag it over to subcategory. Now the segment will appear above subcategory, right? So if you see the labels, here is white and somewhere here it is black, just because it has picked the default value as automatic. So what I will do, I will change the label. Just click on this label, go to the font size, let me reduce the font by 8, let me do it by 7. Then if you see here, the color, the automatic is already selected. I will change it to white, right? Let me make it bold, let me take the 8, right? If you see here, now our labels has been changed, right? Let me also drag profit measure to the labels. If you see here, the profit measure is also appearing, right? So this is how we can create a tree map chart, right? So in our last video we learned how we created a heat map. So we will check what is the difference between heat map and tree map. A heat map shows the information with the help of colors. Heat map can help the user visualize simple or complex data, but here tree map is dealing or displaying large amount of data in a hierarchical structure, right? So this is how you can create a tree map. So in this tutorial I will keep it simple and short. So I hope you have learned something new in this tutorial. Please do subscribe, please do consider subscribing my channel in case you haven't already. So I will see you in next tutorial. Till then, you stay healthy and stay safe. Bye bye.